Here's something I bet you didn't know. There's more germs on your keyboard than there is your toilet seat. And if your hot desk can share your keyboard, that makes things a whole lot worse. Let's see what we got. Now, to clean dust and dirt from your keyboard without having to remove any keys, we've got the Powerclean air duster, which you mustn't shake. Use it in short, sharp bursts like so. For those slightly harder to reach places, there is also the durable Powerclean inverted, and for those really stubborn biscuit crumbs that you just can't get rid of, you've got the durable cotton buds. To clean those tea and coffee stains, we're going to use the Superclean wipes, which come in a tub or sachet. They also contain Bact-o-clean, which is 99.9% effective against germs and viruses. Wipe over your keyboard with the wipe. Once you finish, just put it in the bin. Now we've finished cleaning the keyboard, what about the desk? We can use one of these dry clean lint-free cloths with the Superclean Foam. Simply spray it on and wipe it away. And did you know that the average desk has 10 million germs on it? That's even more reason to clean your desk.